what's happening to the Bitcoin price this week? What's going to happen to the rest of crypto this week? That's what I would love to address in this video. We have a couple of things happening. Obviously, Bitcoin closing the week above the 200 weekly average for the first time again in 6 weeks, which should be constructive. A lot of people calling for a pullback and call this a fool's rally. Would love to share a few of the comments there. And then obviously something that has been kind of chitter chatter over the weekend seems now to become reality. Nancy Pelosi on her Asia trip also was here in Singapore, is leaving today here on Tuesday, and supposed to be stopping over in Taiwan. And that obviously could really spice up some of the geopolitical conflict. And yeah, let's discuss this a bit. Hope you're doing well. Week is going well. I'm driving for a breakfast meeting here with my co-founder Julian. And yeah, lots of stuff happening obviously. It's quite it's never dull in crypto wonderland. Yeah, so let's go a bit through. Obviously a lot of people becoming a bit bullish. You see the emotions become a bit more constructive after the entire week. The entire month was actually really strong, both for stocks. Month of July, I think, strongest month in a long time. The same for crypto. Obviously a green monthly candle after 3 really destructive red candles on the monthly chart, and then same on the weekly chart. So as a whole, I think we can definitely agree that there is I think quite some reason on why people are becoming a bit more bullish again, a bit more hopeful. Weekly chart closed over 200 weekly moving average after 6 weeks, closing down. And yeah, so in theory it would all look good. I mean, I think the main kind of crypto factor to be watching this month is potential forced liquidations of crypto. Obviously the Mt. Gox story is always going to bubble up, and then we do have obviously existing companies, Three Arrows, Celsius, and so on, but we don't really know. Voyager, where we really don't know what's going to happen there. Yeah, so those things aside, obviously it's quite straightforward to think that we may be in it for a bit of a constructive kind of rally. We discussed this in the videos last week as well. And then over the weekend, Nancy Pelosi seems to be on a trip to Taiwan. China said that they're gonna step up some retaliation or something if someone visits Taiwan. Also the UK had mentioned that. And so it's quite interesting to understand a bit on why or how or what. And the thing is, it's very difficult to understand that. Obviously, we all know that the US and pretty much the entire world has a deep interest in Taiwan because of the semiconductor industry there. And this is needed for literally any chip manufacturing around the world. So I think the interest there is quite clear. But what's not so straightforward clear is why is Nancy Pelosi, why is she, first of all, going to visit Taiwan right now during the Ukraine conflict at this very moment? I mean, she's the Speaker of the House. I mean, it's not that she's a nobody, but why her, right? And so obviously you have these insider trading allegations. You have a lot of weird kind of allegations there, and why is she doing this? And so I don't know. Let me know your thoughts on this. I don't think that there's gonna be all too much coming out of it. I do think it's gonna flare up some of the tensions. It's gonna flare some of the emotions, and let's see what we're gonna see during this week because of that. Yeah. On another note, Birthday Research, a R&D team in our group, has released a really cool paper on rights, which are on-chain options, completely decentralized, check this out. It's gonna launch on Ethereum first, and then once DeFi Meta Chain is ready on top of DeFi Chain, then it's also gonna launch on there. That's gonna be really, really cool, because that means you can do options, puts, calls on any asset in a decentralized manner. So check this out. That is quite exciting. Yeah, other than that, looking to get the transparency report out for our Q2 in the company, and yeah, share obviously as much as possible in there as well. So stay tuned, stay safe, stay healthy, have fun with your family, don't let the markets drive you crazy, and see you in the next video. Thanks so much, Julian. Bye.